Unit 11.
Beam. Beam is a noun. A beam is a long, strong piece of wood or metal that holds up part of a building. After the builders put in the last beam, they built the roof on top. Now you say the word beam. Beam. Beam is a verb. To beam is to send something out. Faraway stars beam light to earth. Now you say the word beam. Carve. Carve is a verb. When you carve something, you cut into it. I can carve a statue out of wood. Now you say the word carve. Carve. Den. Den is a noun. A den is where some wild animals rest. The wolf left its den to eat. Now you say the word den. Den. Lean. Lean is a verb. When you lean, you bend in a certain direction. Lean back to watch the night sky. Now you say the word lean. Lean. Lean is an adjective. Something that is lean does not have much fat on it. The burger had lean meat in it. Now you say the word lean. Odd. Odd is an adjective. If something is odd, it is not what you are used to. A June snowstorm will be odd. Now you say the word odd. Odd. Odd is an adjective. An odd number cannot be divided evenly by 2. 5 is an odd number. Now you say the word odd. Proper. Proper is an adjective. If something is proper, it is right or correct. Wear proper clothing on cold days. Now you say the word proper. Proper. Scrape. Scrape is a verb. When you scrape something, you rub it against a rough or sharp surface. Help me scrape the paint off the door. Now you say the word scrape. Scrape. Scrape is a noun. A scrape is a mark made by rubbing or scratching against something rough. I fell and got a scrape on my knee. Now you say the word scrape. Steer. Steer is a verb. When you steer something, you move it in a certain direction. I tried to steer my bike in a straight line. Now you say the word steer. Steer. Steer is a noun. A steer is a bull that is raised for meat. A steer eats grass. Now you say the word steer. Tender. Tender is an adjective. When something is tender, it is soft and easy to cut. Grandpa's steaks are always tender. Now you say the word tender. Tender. Tense. Tense is an adjective. When you are tense, you are not relaxed. I felt tense when I tried out for the school play. Now you say the word tense. Tense.